I really love this camera. I've been using it for weeks and I'm obsessed with it. I'm so happy about it. It's been making me so motivated to film and like do content. I have so many videos stacked up, like, and I'm being dead serious now. Like, I have videos stacked. So we out here. Hey guys, what's up? It's China back at it again with another vlog. And today is July. What's today's date? Where's my phone?
What are cards?
Where's my phone? Help me find it. I need to tell them to date.
Help me find it. Until you get pants, you don't look.
Today is July 13th, Tuesday. It's 5:14 and Mike wants to go to the mall to find some clothes and shoes. To show you guys my outfit. Please be sure to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe if you enjoy my hauls. If you enjoy my vlogs. So, I'm wearing this tank top bodysuit from Boohoo, and these jeans I think are from Fashion Nova. My bucket hat from Urban, and I'm wearing my espadrille sandals from Charlotte, of course. And Mike is looking mighty dapper today too. His hair is halfway done.
Yeah, the back ain't done.
Look at you. What's this? It's like two different looks. Like this one looks like darker.
Cinematic one looks more
Yeah,
clear.
this one does. I don't know. I can make this one look like that too.
That's
But this
camera,
one
don't
is
worry about
more
it.
true to my color, my skin color. Right?
Yeah.
But yeah. Sorry, he just put the Canon like right next to me for no reason. Just to see the difference. But yeah, I will see you guys when we get to the mall. Hey guys, so we're waiting on the Uber right now. I mean the Lyft. Haven't been taking Uber. Look who came to visit. Lunar. You know we're going in a car, right, Lunar? You can't follow us. We're not walking. Where are you gonna go? Where do you need to go inside? You sick. Hey guys, so we made it to the mall. Mike came to a sneaker store and yes. Oh, he looked right at the camera. We are in dog bedroom right now. He's loving it. He's
Took
a
the
dog
paper and
lover.
ran with it.
What time is it?
6:29.
Well, we made it out of the mall. We're just waiting for our Uber. I picked up something from Arrow and I will show you guys when I get home. But yeah, I'm really hungry, so probably gonna look for food when I get home, and yeah. Hey guys, so we are home and we're about to order some Jamaican food, which I'm really excited for.
I love Jamaican food. I love jerk chicken.
And yeah, we're getting 2 jerk chicken milles. And I'm really excited because we made it home before the place fucking closed, and that's all that matters. And we got priority delivery. So we're gonna get it sooner.
I'm about to.
While we wait for the food, I'm gonna show you guys what I got from Arrow. I got some stuff from Arrow. I haven't been to the store in years, and they kind of upgraded their stuff. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Like, I don't usually buy stuff from there, but they have some cute stuff. So I'm gonna show you guys. And there was a sale going on. So the first thing that I got from Arrow are these shorts, and they're just really cute, and you know, the style I'm obsessed with. They're the baggy short and an extra small, so these should fit me perfectly. In this color I love. It's like a mauve pink. So yeah, this was $32.95, but I think it was half off, so I got it for like around $15 to $17, I think. If I calculate I got this top. It's like a salmon top to go with it, because I feel like I color block with it kind of. And it just looks like this. And it has like cute little detailing on it. This was $24.95, but I think it was on sale for half off as well. And then I got some underwear, which I'm not really gonna show y'all. You know the little kiosks that are in the middle of the mall? Yeah, well, they had what I've been looking for a really long time. Not a really long time, but recently I feel like somebody's been putting like negativity on my stuff, so I've been feeling energetically. So I got myself evil eye bracelet. I'm gonna get another one with like, this is enough. Look at it, stare at it. I'm not having it. I had a evil eye chain, and I don't know if you guys remember it from my old videos, from past videos, not old, but past videos. I had it around my neck. No, the shit didn't disappear, it fell off my neck. Some weird shit. But I'm very spiritual, guys. I don't know. I don't think I've ever, I mean, I've talked about it, but like years ago, maybe in one video, but I'm extremely spiritual, so I believe in, so like if you guys want me to go into more depth of spirituality, I definitely I can do like a specific video. Oh, sorry guys, I always get lost on my phone. I'm just so hungry and my head is like not feeling good right now. But no, how's everyone's day today? Mine was okay. More eventful than I thought it was gonna be. I didn't think I was actually gonna leave the house today, but I did. So I actually have a video, an intro to film for a video that I need to push out this week, like, because it's long overdue and I'm excited to post it. It is a guest style sponsored video, so yeah. When the food gets here, I will do a little mukbang for you guys.
Same games you can play.
I
Like it's just stupid.
chicken
It's just like that you can't
meal,
use
and so
Xbox
there's
on
like-
PC. Yes, you can.
Yeah.
Xbox,
So, just
PC,
gonna eat and watch
PC.
some
You can literally hook
music. so I'm done eating for now because I got a big portion, so I can eat some later on. I need to charge my laptop though because it just died. So yeah, I'll be back. We're just gonna follow up from the last day. I don't remember the last day I filmed or vlogged, but yeah, today is the 19th, I think. It is a Monday. Yes, it is a Monday. And we are on our way to a trail. And we are with our new friend. Yeah, I'm just very casual right now. We're just taking a walk. By the way, we walk everywhere, so basically if we're not walking, we're taking an Uber. And yeah, until we get a car, we are working on that right now. We are manifesting that shit. Yeah. Did you guys see his bling? Yes. Look at the bling though. Hey guys, so we made it to the trail. There's a lot of bugs, but we're gonna walk halfway through and then take the other way to the park, and then we're gonna chill at the park. I don't know if you've seen one of my older vlogs. We've already been on this trail before with you guys. This is like the usual trail that we go on when we want nature, I guess. But there's too many bugs, so we're not going through the nature way to get to the park. But yeah, enjoy my little nature montage. Today is Tuesday the 20th, and I'm on my way to my nail appointment right now. The Uber is outside, so I will, yeah, see you guys when I get there. Hey guys, so I made it to the nail salon, and I'm about to get my nails done. So. Hey, what happened? Hi, Kathy. Lashes all done. It looks so good. Hey guys, I'm back from the nail salon. My nails are finally done. I did them really short today, but not in the mood to have long nails, so I got myself some short ones. And there's some YouTubers that have been like inspiring me to get back on short nails because they look so like classy and cute. But I am home. I also went to the beauty supply store and bought a ponytail, just a regular ponytail. Like I always like to use these when I have nothing to do with my hair, or if I don't want to straighten it, I don't feel like doing all that. And then I got some black castor oil. Hey guys, so it's been a few hours and we are at PetSmart right now. He's cute.
Yeah, so we know bugs.
There's a spider in here somewhere.
Where is that?
Like huge. Hey there.
It's funny that when a baby said they love the attention, they want to come home. But it's just like, I can't. I don't got the tank.
These are different. I wouldn't mind if you had a small snake.
They get bigger. It's a baby. It's a boa. It's a python. It's a boa python. Yeah.
A what?
I think it's a boa python. I think.
I don't know.
I said he's
How much bigger do they get?
like that big. About like.
Yeah, that's too big for me.
Jump right on you.
Oh no. Hey guys, what's up? So I wanted to just show you guys what I got from Felt Polish because I wanted to paint my toes. So I just got a color that's similar to...
And if you, and your mom owns that crib, right? She paid everything for that, right? You have your own section downstairs.
And then I got
I can't do that. I have my own.
polish.
You live downstairs.
And then I bought some Wet n Wild tinted hydrator.
You know what I realized?
It's just me. Because I wanted to try
it's
this. Then I got the LA Colors Ultimate Cover Concealer in Honey.
My parents are good. My parents.
I got some insect repellent because there's mad mosquitoes. And then the last thing that I got is this phone case because I need a new phone case. The one that I have is trash and dirty. So
that's fine. Yeah, we out. We're to see if this shit works.
Case on the phone, and first of all, this quality is so good. Whoa, what the heck? Babe, look! I didn't even notice I did that. Guys, this thing moves on the inside. Ooh. Yes, it looks so good. Yep. I like it.
So nigga, go back on YouTube, type in a Kai, beat software, copy and paste.
And some vegetables. Hey guys, what's up? It's China back at it again with another vlog, and I look absolutely crazy. But I wanted to take you guys with me to the outlets because I have something that I want to pick up. I want to go buy Victoria's Secret really quick and pick up some body stuff like sprays and lotions because I am out of my peach lotion. And I need to buy more than one lotion. I don't know why I only bought one lotion when I bought the one lotion that I bought. But I need to buy more. So, okay, well, this is what I'm wearing. I'm just wearing, I feel like I wore this before in a vlog. I don't know. I feel like I wear the same stuff. And it's not like I don't have any clothes. It's just I'm choosing to wear things that are just easy to, which is great. Today's date is the 27th of July. It is 3:26 p.m. Let me just show you guys. I don't know, will I change? I might change. Just because I've worn this already in a vlog. But I will vlog when I'm at the outlets. My lift is 7 minutes away, 5 minutes away. And yeah, you know what I do need is my mask. I saw it somewhere. This knucklehead is still sleeping as usual. He plays GTA freaking RP all night long up until 7 in the morning, which I don't understand, but you know, that's his life. It's his life now. So when I go out, he's not even up to go with me. Hey guys, so I made it to the outlets. I want to go in Victoria's Secret and then maybe Forever 21. Not for me though. And then I want to go to the Christmas tree shop to see if they have launching. Okay, so I'm in Victoria's Secret. I'm trying to figure out what I want. If I need a bra. I feel like I need a bra, like a regular bra. So. Jesus. Okay, so I'm trying to figure out what lotion or body mist to get because they're always on sale. 3 for 30 or 2 for 25. Don't know. I made it out of Victoria's Secret with what I wanted. I really just went there for like body stuff and like sprays. So when I get home, I'm definitely gonna show you guys that. Do a little haul for you guys. But it's hot. I don't know. Let me think. It's not that way. Yeah. Sorry. But yeah, I love the stairs. It's cool. I have to get used to that shit. I just got out of PacSun and picked up some stuff too. This is a sale, and I never want to miss a PacSun sale because I'm obsessed with PacSun. But so I'm gonna grab some food now and then go to one more store. So I'm in Chipotle right now, and I ordered Chinese for me and Mike, and then I'm craving Chipotle now. I'm gonna get a bowl. Am I fat? Yeah. Do I care? No. Okay, guys. I made it out of Chipotle. That line was like annoyingly long, but I'm about to carve a lift home because it's hot and I want to go home. I think I did enough shopping for today, and I will do a haul when I get home. Okay, hey guys, I'm back from the outlets and kind of went a little crazy on the sprays and all that stuff. The first thing I got are these 2 body mists. This one is Fresh and Clean, and this one is Warm and Cozy. This one has coconut, vanilla, and passion fruit, and this one has sweet apple, fresh tangerine, and sea spray. 2 for $12, by the way. And then I got, you know, they have their body sprays and their lotions always on sale. 3 for $30 or 2 for $20. And I was like, oh my gosh, guys, this smells so fucking good. Yo, this smells so good. Okay. And then I got their honey lotion because I love this pump, and 1 because it has honey and shea butter in it. And you guys know how I feel about shea butter. Literally everything that I have has shea butter in it. My deodorant, my body wash, my lotions, I just love shea butter. Like anything shea butter because it just makes my skin super soft. But yeah, I just got their lotion. The last thing I got, which I don't even know how much this was, but I smelled the perfume and I was like, I kind of need this.
Yo,
and I got the Victoria's Secret Bombshell Passion. This smells like a night out. This is a night out perfume right here. Now I'm gonna show you guys what I got from PacSun really quick. I got, okay, they were having a sale. That's the only reason why I stepped in that store, because I knew because I just know how I am. So I got a pair of sweatpants, and it just says Pacific Sunwear. $36.99 for these on sale. This is why I only go in PacSun sometimes, because they're pricey-ish, but I don't mind because the quality is amazing. Their jeans are the only thing that I don't care about with the prices. I'll pay for it because they're worth it. And I've been wearing PacSun jeans since I was in like the 6th grade. So that's how you roll. I got this shirt for myself. It's just a shirt with a butterfly on it. It's in a small. Yeah, but it's pretty sure it's a men's shirt. I don't give a damn. And then I got this shirt for Mike. And because we've been into like Playboy, like, you know, so I just bought him this shirt. This is Playboy on it. And it's cute. It's fire. It's fire. And I bought some food.
It's not letting me get into the fuck.
So I'm about to eat. And then, yeah. Ooh. Anyway, I'm about to eat my food and enjoy myself and watch some YouTube videos.
What's problem?
Hey guys, what's up? Currently on my computer watching some YouTube videos. I have to actually edit a vlog. I have a video out right now. If you haven't seen it, go check it out. It's just a Summer Walker inspired natural makeup look. Yeah. I'm watching, who am I watching right now? I'm watching Octavia B. I don't know if you guys know who that is, but she is a black influencer, which I love. I'm here for it. And she's just beautiful and just classy, and she's a huge inspiration for sure, because her consistency is like immaculate, and I just need to be at her level of consistency because I ain't there yet, but I will be there. But yeah, she's a great YouTuber. If you guys haven't watched her videos, you should definitely check her out. She does a whole bunch of different stuff. I don't even know why I'm talking about her like I know her, like I'm sponsored by her. Sounds like. But no, I watch her videos religiously, so yeah.